What's up guys, today we're gonna do a tutorial on this keyword in JavaScript. Let's start by creating an object. Let it be people equal to name. Create a method name. Let it be John and a method greet function. Now this method will return a string. My name is people dot name. I'll run this code, and when we'll call the greet method people dot greet. As expected, it will return the string my name is John. But now there's a problem with this. If we will change the object's name to something else like John, then we'll run the code and call the greet method by the John, the greet. It will create an error because over here we have written people in the method. So if you have more than one method that is referring to the name of the object, then you have to change all of them. So there's another way to do this thing. If we'll write this over here, now we'll run the same code, it will return. So we need to use this while referring to the object. We're gonna take another example and do the same thing. Let's do it by creating a global variable name is equal to, now let's take Jane, and a function variable greet function return my name is this dot name. Now let's try to run this thing. This is a global method, so we'll call it directly. It says my name is Jane as we expected, but now let's uncomment this thing, and now we will remove this function and change the name of this function to global to avoid confusion. Global greet, and we'll call the global greet method over here. What do you expect? Now let's call John dot greet method. It says that my name is John. You expected this thing? Okay, I'll tell you how. See, the function is this function is called over here. This function is called over here. Okay, wait a second. Okay, this function is global greet is called over here. So over here, this refers to this dot name refers to this name. So it called this name John. Okay, and now if we'll call greet method, Now you know the answer. Oh, sorry. Run. Global greet. Sorry, global greet. Greet. Itself. My name is Jane. Okay. Now, what if we want to call this name from this object? We'll use a method, inbuilt method of JavaScript dot bind window. Actually, all the global functions or variables are at the window object, so that's why you're writing object over here. Now let's call this method code. So now if we'll call, it will say my name is Jane.